we've hit the highs.
We've hit the highs.
So,
what an afternoon.
We've had to interject.
23,000. It's over and about 23,000.
It's over-delivered. All-time high on the Nifty has been hit. 23.38 hit and then slipped back slightly, but 23.316 is the new high. Harsh, we've hit the new high. Murli, we've hit the new high in the same week. I mean, what a roller coaster.
Absolutely. No, so we this is something which we need to take note of, as Sunil Singhania pointed out. Forget that June 4 date. June 4th was kind of, people will simply forget it, the way the screen is behaving, the way the markets are behaving.
Okay.
I mean,
we've hit the all-time high on the Sensex. We are 32 points from the Nifty. Pardon, we're getting a little excited in the studio today. Yeah. So, but Sensex, so it's a matter of time. It's a matter of time. It's a statistic right now. And this is what Aditya was also saying, that, we are preparing ourselves now for the next leg of a very, very solid and steady and deep bull rally and a bull run, which has, sustained a lot of this. So this 1 week, I think, is a lesson in markets as well, Murli, I would say, because on the 3rd of June, everyone we spoke to said, don't profit book.
Yeah.
A lot can happen. We don't know what's going to happen. Next day's results. On the 4th of June, a lot of people said, don't buy, let's wait for a few days. People who didn't listen to them are the ones who are smiling today, which I think in a large part is the retail investor.
Right. So I have a few things. Let me look at the calendar. If you look at the calendar, what's coming up over the next 3 weeks is going to be dramatic. First is the swearing in, which is going to happen day after tomorrow. And once that is done, the portfolios will be announced. Once the portfolios are announced, some of the key ministries will be watched, whether it's railways, defense, finance, of course, will be there, agriculture, infra. So all those things will be. So the day these announcements and new ministers come in, that is another point for the markets to watch and react. So markets are now watching every step that is being taken. In my book, I think over the next 3 weeks to a month, in the run-up to the budget run-up will start very soon. Budget expectations will build up. Now remember, budget is just a tool to implement the government or the NDA government's agenda of development. Here we are now looking at a combination of growth and development, which is what the market is really liking it in terms of pricing in whatever they can. The markets will try to price in as much as possible at this point in time. As the Jeffries note pointed out, people who stayed out, the FIIs, might come back. We can see that in the Morgan Stanley note. We can see how strong the economic fundamentals are. So therefore, you will see a lot of volatility going forward. There'll be profit booking. There'll be, people will come and try to pick up every dip that would be bought. And I don't think the chart is going to give you any big surprises. Plus, the monsoon is going to come up. That's something very important. By the time you finish that, your earnings season will start in July, coinciding with the budget.
No one is waiting, sir. 22 points away, 20 points away. It's like a very exciting countdown. I'm just going back to our conversation which we had on India Market Open yesterday. And you put out the question about, can we hit 23,000 today? And I had said, let's wait for Friday, leave something for Friday. We've surpassed it, and how? You want to revise it? Can we? What's stopping us from hitting 24,000 now?
No, I will not go that far. You see, yesterday when I asked this question, what is stopping us from going to 23,000? It was very clearly based on the clarity that emerged from the political front. As simple as that. It's no brainer. But today, from here onwards, it will become very, very selective now. Because see, now you are going back to high valuations. It's all about play on valuations. It's all about what specifics will come out. So investors will stop, make an assessment, book profits wherever possible, but you will not see people swinging to the other side. So the bull run will see a little bit of profit booking here and there, reassessment, and then going back again to the market.
As it should be, as business as usual.
It's like business